Alright, YouTubers, here we have this Hunter original. If we can get this to focus, from 1986, serial number 178297. The 96 is right there, 86 I meant. As you see, this is a brass original, low profile with its canopy. I've had a few low profiles before. I've been looking for one of these for a while. I've been looking for a black one also, but this one showed up first. Got off eBay for 100 something. Honestly, the best thing is it has a canopy, so that's very cool. This is one I'm definitely going to be keeping. Been looking for it for a little bit. The blades are in decent shape. Originally came with a light fitter. I added this antique brass switch cap. It's a little worn around the edges, so I might see if I get another one. But let's go ahead and put it on low. This is a 3-speed fan, 52-inch. On low, we are currently drawing 0.4 amps. It's a very nice aesthetic low speed. Oh yeah, by the way, it came with a cool pull chain. Let's go ahead and go to medium, off, high, medium. Functions very well actually. It's a little bit out of balance. Probably gotta just balance it a little more, it's no big deal. There's medium. Medium we're drawing 0.77 to be exact. So let's go ahead and go to high. It's a good amount of air actually. High we're drawing 1.11 amps. So right where it should be for this error. A little bit of wobble it's got. Definitely a good runner. What's unique about these, I don't know if you noticed, but the motor is thinner. Trying to make the least amount of clearance. So these are cool. I finally got one at a finish I like. The antique brass is in decent shape. There's a nick right there you can kind of see above the screw plate. All in all, I'm very happy with this fan. Let's go ahead and do spin down. I believe that there was a pair of these getting sold. I got one of them. I don't know what happened to the other one. Another fan for the collection, another original for the collection. I'm desperately running out of room on my shelving. I've got, I think, one more fan to test today. So I'll be testing that here in a second. And there we go. Alright guys, we'll be back in a little bit. Thanks for watching.